Let's go. Guys, last trade of the week, Friday trades, last trade of the week. Great ass week. Just finished up training with the Discord. I just closed the stream. You know what happened? I entered right here. We see another breaker structure. Bias was correct. Everything was correct. I knew it's time to execute. Boom, I got filled. Price rips. And guys, I'm also just to be transparent, I'm gonna do that recap, and yeah, guys. All right, guys, solid ass trade for today, as you can see. Solid as week, but we only took 3 trades today. I mean, 3 trades this week, and this was the last trade of this week. Yeah, solid as. Everyone made bread inside the Discord, so make sure to join the Discord. Like, even the free side has free sauce, because I want to make sure that everybody makes money inside of there, because that's the most profitable community. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that will happen. Okay, I'm gonna make sure. But yeah, guys, my day didn't start from this point. I've been trading. I made 500 bucks, yes, but like a couple hours ago I was outside. I picked up a package, and I've been just chilling, ate some food, and just regular stuff. Took my dog out, but I didn't record that shit today. I wanted to try something different. I started the day by recording the trade that I took. And guys, I also posted the recap of the trade, so make sure to check that out after this video, because yeah, so you guys actually can learn something. And yeah, if you guys think that this trading, it's just, you see me make 500 bucks in literally 3 minutes today. Literally, I took the trade in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, the price just ripped to the upside. Obviously, I was just finding the trade for like 1 hour with the Discord. But yeah, you might think like, what, you made that much money? I mean, it's not even, guys, it's not even that much money. It's just, normally I make like 1k. Depends how many pips are there in the trade. However, today I made a decent amount, but it's all capital at this point because I'm profitable. But the thing here is, most of y'all think that, wow, you're 17, you're making that money. It took you 3 minutes to make that money. No, guys, it took me 3 years to make that money. You know what I mean? I've seen all of it. Strategies. I was doing a lot of different strategies, trying to learn different strategies, and I've seen people come into trading and quit along the way while I was still, grinding. But I didn't stop, and that's why I'm getting rewarded, man. But I'm not here to flex to you guys. I'm here to motivate you and teach you, and that's why I'm here, man. That's why I'm here. Okay, man. But right now, guys, I'm gonna do some calisthenics in this house, and then I'm gonna eat some chicken and bread, and then we'll see what's up. One thing that, yeah, I wonder, some of y'all, I'm new in the fucking social media industry. Like, I'm new in social media. I'm a day trader. Yeah, that may bring a lot of question to you guys. Like, wait, is this guy just another guru? Is he scamming? No, guys, I'm trying to teach it to you guys. And the thing here is, you always can fake payouts. You always can fake withdrawals. You always can fake everything. Broker logins, freaking P&Ls. But you know what you cannot fake? That I make sure that I will always bring to you guys is me actually trading. I cannot fake the skill. I cannot fake the skill that took me 3 years. I cannot fake it. That's why I live trade every single day, just to prove it to you guys. Also, now I also want you to guys learn from it and make money from it. But I cannot fake it, guys. I cannot just call to the fucking Wall Street and be like, oh, can you make it to go up today, just so I can prove my Discord that I actually can trade. No, bro, it doesn't work like that. I cannot just call the banks just to pump it. I cannot call the hedge funds to pump it, to buy a lot of stocks. No, guys, I cannot do that shit. The only thing that I can do is just to prove my skills to the markets, to myself, to my bank accounts. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna do the calisthenics right now. I'm gonna do the calisthenics, eat some food, and let's get it, man. Hey, man, I just finished up with that little workout that I did, calisthenics. Literally, did some of it. But now, bro, these kids outside, man. Do you hear that shit? MA summer, let them have fun, you know, obviously. But yeah, now guys, I'ma eat some, I'ma devour this, I'ma inhale this, some chicken. And I don't know what this bread is called, but I'ma inhale that too. Devour that shit. I don't, literally, comment down below, what is this bread called? Because I literally don't know. This is like some French, long ass bread, long ass, like 1 meter long. I don't know what's that called, but anyways, okay, do not comment down below that. Actually, comment down below what you think about these videos. Be totally honest. Do you think I should, improve, or do you want to see something else? Obviously, educational videos also are gonna come, and literally all types of videos, but obviously mainly focused on trading because that's my skill. That's the hidden talent that I have. That hidden talent, man, nobody knows except you guys, okay? But yeah, that's what's up. Look, man, one thing I gotta say though, if you're a beginner trader, you just started trading, you've been in this game for like 6 months, 1 year, doesn't matter, you're a beginner, you're not making money yet. The thing here is, you cannot focus on money right now. Do not focus on money. I know you started trading because you wanted to make money. I started trading because I wanted to make money. We all started because of that one reason. Money is valuable. We want money. We want money, okay? But the thing here is, you cannot focus on money right now because I've been trading for over 3 years now. I turned profitable over 1 year ago. And the thing that I learned during those 3 years is, when you focus on money in trading, you will be emotionally attached to that money. And when you're emotionally attached to that money, it is way harder for you to learn the skill of making money in trading. It is way harder to learn the skill. And right now, you don't need to worry about being attached to that money. You need to be worrying about mastering the skill. You need to master the skill first. Learn, and later you can earn. Right now, it's not time to be attached to that money. Later, you can be attached to that money once you got the skill, and then you can work on the psychology. Do you guys know what I mean? What up, guys? I made it home. It's currently 11 p.m. in my country. And I'm just chilling, about to edit this video right now that I'm recording, like this day in the life. I know I literally didn't record pretty much anything outside because I was just chilling with my friends and just was chilling. Alright, bro, but if you got friends, make sure to share them this video, because if you want your friends to be successful, then you gotta motivate them, you gotta show them what's up, get into the right mindset, etc. You know what I mean. Anyway, make sure to hit subscribe, make sure to join the free Discord. Anyways, guys, peace out.